Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Miracle Mirror. In today's video, let's see how to prepare coconut cream at home. It's really simple and fun to prepare. So let's see how to do it. For that, I am taking here 2 ripe coconuts and slice it into smaller pieces. You may also grate it because it will be easier for you to grind. Drop this sliced coconut into a jar. Followed by the water we have obtained while popping it, and blend it. And if the coconut goes dry, just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to maintain the consistency. And now take a bowl and place a strainer over it, and now bit by bit add the crushed coconut into it and just strain it. Repeat the process around 2 to 3 times. Extract the complete milk out of it. Now into this milk, squeeze half a slice of lemon. Lemon will help us to ferment the milk and it converts into its solidified form. Now put on the lid and place the bowl into the refrigerator for 2 hours. And now our cream is almost ready. By now, the water which was present in the coconut as well as the water which was added extra has settled down in the bottom and the cream has been suspended over it. So what we have to do is just separate the creamy layer from the water. Here the water which we have obtained is also beneficial. No need to throw it away because we can use it for different hair packs or face packs. Our cream is ready to use. Transfer it into a clean dry container and it will be good to use for 3 to 4 days if placed in the refrigerator. As you know, coconut cream is highly nutritional and can be used in various purposes. So I'll be sharing in my upcoming videos how I use it for my skincare and hair care routines. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload the video. So I hope the video is useful for you. If so, please like and subscribe and don't forget to share it with your friends and family as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.